I tested 5 top AI video generators side by side to really see which one I thought was the best. Once you actually take a closer look, the differences were pretty dramatic. For all the links mentioned in today's video, please check out the comments section. They'll be pinned right at the top and also at the top of the video description. Let's get into it. All right, folks. So, quality and price, among other things, really do vary when we're comparing InVideo to these other tools right now. I'm basically going to show you the raw data to explain why I believe InVideo is going to be the best. When you actually normalize the cost per 8 to 10-second video across all the same models, InVideo consistently comes out much cheaper than Freepik, Artlist, OpenArt, and even Higgsfield, especially when it comes to premium and fast generation models. Freepik, for example, has fewer models with limited output, fewer output options, and slower previews, and it ends up costing about $1.33 per generation compared to, yep, you guessed it, InVideo at just 80 cents. Artlist, in my opinion, just has confusing menus and much slower rendering, and it also averages out to $1.33 per generation. As for OpenArt, the workflow there is fragmented, and you need separate projects for multiple models. It's a little cheaper at 93 cents per generation, but still not as cheap as InVideo. And as for Higgsfield, well, it's kind of limited when it comes to collaboration and does have some issues with switching models, which I've personally run into. And it comes in at 83 cents per generation, so it's quite a bit cheaper, but still doesn't beat InVideo at 80 cents. All right, folks, so we're in the InVideo section now, where we're going to choose the agent and model that we'll be using, okay? So as you can see here, we've got the different sections, videos with your basic prompt. If you want to get specific with your agents and models, we've also got the explore section here on the right side. So we're going to agents and models, okay? We're going to use Sora 2 Pro, okay? That's OpenAI's most realistic video model with audio character support. Okay, we're going to click on that and hit new project. All right, make it realistic. Actually, make it a realistic man walking through a post-apocalyptic world. Give it a high-end television series vibe. The shot should be captured during the bright day, looking very cinematic. Also, make sure to take heavy inspiration from the iconic desert scenes in Mad Max. That's pretty specific. All right, let's make this one widescreen. 8. Make it 8 seconds. Okay, Sora 2 Pro is selected, and let's hit generate. Alrighty, folks, it's all done now. So let's go ahead and press play.
Another day in the dust.
Looks pretty good to me, folks. It definitely has that Fallout series vibe. God, it's a post-apocalyptic world, and it's definitely taking some inspiration from Mad Max. So overall, I'm pretty happy. Let me know in the comments what you think. InVideo's workflow just keeps everything consistent and in one project. As a user, you're going to save time, streamline your workflow, and cut down on a lot of friction compared to the competition. Multi-model testing, collaboration, and even asset management all happen in one workspace. The result? Faster, smoother, cheaper, and just better all around. And most importantly, a more creative project execution, as you can see here. But hey, why don't you go ahead and try it off for yourself? Run multiple clips and prompts on different platforms. Test it out, and you'll see that InVideo really does give you the best results. You'll notice the difference right away in speed, usability, and output quality. Personally, I'd recommend going for the generative package here at $100 a month. I think that's a really great value, honestly. There's also the Plus at $28, Max at $50, and the Team Plan at $8.99 per month. To sign up for InVideo, just use the link at the top of the video description here. You can build a really great business with InVideo. Hope you enjoyed this. See you next time.